If you are looking for an AI writing tool to help create blog posts, marketing content, social media captions, and more, you have probably come across Jasper AI. But is it worth the price? In this video, I'll cover Jasper AI's features, pros, cons, and whether it's the right tool for you. What is Jasper AI? Jasper AI is an AI powered content creation platform designed primarily for marketers, businesses, agencies, and content creators. It uses advanced language models to generate text for blogs, emails, ads, product descriptions, social media posts, and other marketing content. Unlike basic AI chatbots, Jasper focuses heavily on brand focused content creation and team collaboration. Key features: AI content generation. Jasper can create blog articles, marketing copy, email campaigns, website content, and social media posts in seconds. Brand voice. One of Jasper's standout features is brand voice. You can train Jasper on your existing content so it generates text that matches your brand's tone and style. Marketing templates. The platform includes ready made templates for Facebook ads, Google ads, product descriptions, email subject lines, and more. AI chat assistant. Jasper offers a chat interface similar to ChatGPT, allowing users to brainstorm ideas, write content, summarize text, and perform research related tasks. Team collaboration. Businesses can collaborate on projects, manage brand guidelines, and maintain consistency across multiple team members. Pros: easy to use interface, excellent for marketing and business content, strong brand voice capabilities, saves significant time when creating content, supports team collaboration and workflow management, multiple templates for different content types. Cons: more expensive than many AI writing competitors. AI generated content often requires editing and fact checking. Some features are primarily useful for businesses rather than individual users. Not the best option if you only need a general purpose AI chatbot. Pricing: Jasper operates on a subscription model with different plans for individuals, teams, and businesses. Pricing is generally higher than many alternatives, so it's important to evaluate whether the advanced branding and collaboration tools justify the cost for your needs. Who should use Jasper AI? Jasper is best for marketing teams, agencies, content marketers, businesses managing multiple brands. It may not be the best choice for casual users who simply need an AI assistant for everyday tasks. Final verdict and conclusion: Jasper AI is a powerful AI writing platform that shines in marketing content creation, brand consistency, and team collaboration. While it's more expensive than some competitors, its specialized business features can provide significant value for marketers and agencies. If your focus is creating high quality marketing content at scale, Jasper is definitely worth considering. But if you only need a general AI assistant, there may be more affordable alternatives available. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in the next video.